Now here's the other thing. Actually, before I finish that, or even when I finish it, I'm going to want to look at some of the other sprayers in here. As I'll turn it back on. This one was just spraying straight up. Don't need that. I can take that sprayer out and put a bubbler there. There was another sprayer over here. Okay, don't need that. I'll take that out and put a bubbler in there. In fact, there is another bubbler there. I'll have to kind of look at that, because once I take those sprayers out, it's going to give me more water pressure over here to regulate this little this raised planter area. You see what I mean? Okay, and then I'll go around, and I think there might be some other sprayers in here that I can quickly take off and put bubblers. Now, the good thing is I talked to the owner, and there was a sprayer over here. Oh, this one here, right there. See it? There was a sprayer there, and there's a sprayer there. And I don't normally like to leave sprayers because it makes the weeds grow and stuff. She doesn't have any bark down. She's got all these irises all over the place, and I said, you know, you really should have all those in one local area if you're going to water them with a bubbler system. And she says, no, I kind of like it like that. Just go ahead and leave it like that. So we're leaving this sprayer alone. I think there's a little sprayer here. I'll have to kind of fix that. It was spraying up. I want to fix those things before I finalize this over here, in case I want to move this one over to the right, that one over to the left, like I'm going to, and it would determine how far I want to move those prior to putting in the garden soil. Okay, so I'm almost, well, I know I'm going to be done today for sure. Let's see, like I said, I'm going to leave this open until after I turn the water back on. Then I can check it. Now where my new connections are, where I had to actually poke a hole, put a new coupling in, put the 1/4-inch tubing in, I know those are good. But as for the old ones, the ones going up here, there was another one going up over here, there's that other one going over there. I'll look at that to make a determination that it's not leaking down here. If I see another area that starts bulging, being wet with water, I can easily dig it up, go down to it, figure out what it is, and get it fixed. You can do all of these same things too, with a little help from these videos, I hope.